I cannot tell y'all how many times I have deleted this video and reposted it. This is the last time.
I just need to focus on myself. Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to The Sweet Life with Sweet Success Bakery LLC and Chef Kia Smith. So we're talking about vendor events today. The first thing I do when I'm getting ready for a vendor event is to figure out what in the world I'm going to sell. So of course, I'm going to choose things that are the best sellers. We don't want to waste my time and we don't want to waste anyone else's time. We don't want to waste resources, money, build up expenses for no reason. We want to sell the best items. So I choose some of the best items from my seasonal menus and from my daily menus. Strawberry, always a big hit for spring and summer for myself. I can't speak for everybody else, but for myself, strawberries always sell. I'm in South Carolina, so we have a lot of farmland here and we have a lot of strawberry patches. So fresh, homegrown, not homegrown, but like South Carolina grown strawberries are always a hit. So I'm doing the strawberry vanilla, the apple pie, always a hit. Something about that apple, those apples, the caramel, the pecans, the spices everybody loves. And then the golden is just kind of like a safe bet. It's a vanilla cupcake. Can't go wrong with that. And then this time I'm doing something different that I've never done before. And it's the iced coffee. And I've done lemonades before. So I'm really excited about those two items. If you're doing something new, make sure you take it for a test run. It also wouldn't hurt to get like a focus group together. If you're doing a focus group, make sure that you're getting your target audience. Don't just get your grandma, your aunt, your best friend, because they aren't going to give you the real. For the most part, they're going to try to spare your feelings. Get together a focus group and let people be honest with you. Yeah, this isn't it. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, this would be great if you did this. So get people that's going to be honest with you. So the first thing I do, like I said, I put together my menu, and then this will help me to figure out how I want to go about setting up my Squarespace. Not Squarespace, my Square site. So this is my Square site that I put together with Square Up. So when I say Square site, I'm talking about like the Square reader that you can get for free if you set up a Square account. You can always get additional ones. The little Square reader that goes into your phone and your tablet are $10. They have other ones. They have like point of sale systems, which are pretty dope. And then they have the contactless Square reader where your customers can just like put their card up there. I don't understand for the life of me how that works, but they do have those on sale. I can't remember how much those are either. And when I say on sale, I don't mean like they're on sale for like a reduced price. I mean on sale like you can buy them. So I have the address on there where my people can pick it up on the day of, that's actually the wrong address. So I do have to change that. And these are just the items that I'm going to be selling that day. So you can get a single cupcake, 2 cupcakes, a half dozen, whatever. You choose whichever one you want, and I have a picture of the item up there. I just have a picture of cupcakes that I've done in a past event. And this particular event actually got canceled because of COVID. Gotta love it, right? So you can put as many as you want on there. If you only want one of the half dozen, you just get one. If you want 2 of them, you click 2. You add it to your order. You check out, you pick it up the day of the event, and I'm just going to have your particular item set aside so that you can skip the line. The next website I'm going to show you guys is Uline. I absolutely love Uline. They have just about everything that I need. When it comes to supplies, they do have net 30 accounts for those businesses that are, working on building their credit. So I actually tried to get the items that I got off of Uline. I tried to get it from a local vendor. It's cash and carry. But the particular day that I went in there, it was a mess. Like they didn't have anything that matched, and it drove me crazy. So I'm trying to do 16-ounce coffees and iced coffees and lemonades for that particular price that's on my menu. But they would like have the plastic cups that are 16 ounces but didn't have the lids that match, and that drove me crazy. So I just got, lids. I got lids and cups and those little hot beverage sleeves from Uline. I really, really was looking for these clear plastic cups, and I did obviously find them off of Uline. I have some stickers that I've had for other marketing purposes, where I'm going to be putting some stickers on those plastic cups. What I am looking for, if you guys know any place that has the coffee sleeves where I can maybe put my own logo on there, that would be so dope. So please tell me about any places, like in the comments, if you guys know of any. Of course, I can't really order them right now to have them by this weekend. I'm recording this on Sunday and I need it on Saturday. Well, at least by Saturday. Well, Friday, really. Anyways, but just tell me. Maybe I can definitely use them in the future. But my goal, I have the stickers, put the stickers on the cups, but then I was like, oh yeah, I need the hot cup sleeves just in case somebody burns themselves, and we don't need that. But then it covers up the sticker. So I'm like, that was a waste. The next place I'm going to show you guys, that this is actually my first time using them, but it's pretty cool. Just like Uline, it has the net 30 account for small businesses, or big businesses, but it's called Quill. I wasn't really going to use them because in the past when I looked at them, they just seemed like it was just like office supplies, like pens and pencils and paper and hand sanitizer, tissue, things like that. But then I found the coffee urn, which I was actually looking for. These, you see the price. It is fairly small. I say small, but it's smaller than what I expected it to be, especially for that price. I have seen coffee urns twice the size of this particular one that I bought for that price, so I wasn't too happy about that, but it is what it is. I bought them. I actually bought two. And like I said, it does still have that net 30 account, which is what I was kind of gunning for, because we are in the business of building business credit. Credit is king around here. Y'all know how credit goes. So this is 30 cup coffee urn. Again, it's going to come in handy. It's part of my inventory, so it's mine. The next place I went was Amazon, because what does Amazon not have? You can see at the top that I actually have an Amazon business account. So what I bought was the rolling storage cart. Wasn't in love with the price, but I'm in love with the product. I've seen this in Marshall's a whole lot. I'm not gonna say a whole lot cheaper, but cheaper. The ones I saw in Marshall's could have been smaller. Truly can't remember, but I love the fact that I can put my supplies in here, things that I'm gonna need for vendor events, and then I can just bring the whole cart. I'm not sure how well it'll fit in a car, but if you have an SUV, a cargo van, a passenger van, whatever, I'm sure it'll fit just fine, and it'll probably stand up just fine. You might want to just get like the bungee cords and just make sure that it stays in place until you get to where you're going. I am going to do a video the day of the event just to show you guys what's in the drawers and how I kind of just set up this little area. But this area is going to be my coffee and beverage area for the day of the event. The next thing I purchased was this tablet stand. I do have two tablets that I plan on using the day of any given vendor event. One of them I use as like my point of sale system. So that's what we'll be ringing up people with, so that I can keep tabs of what's a great seller, how much am I selling of what item, and there's a way on Square where you can actually set up your inventory. So if I only have a certain amount of cupcakes that day, it will tell me, hey, you don't have any more of that item. And I use my other tablet as like music and setting up my menu. And I also bought this coffee station organizer, a lot smaller than what you think it is. It's plastic. I was hoping it was metal, but it still is going to do what I need it to do. I already have like my sugars, my napkins. I might not put my cups there. I'm not exactly sure, but we'll see. I'll know exactly what I'm gonna do with it by the event. Next up, good old trusty Walmart. Okay, Amazon, go on now. Thank you. All right. So I ordered this drink dispenser. It's so cute. I ordered two of them. I actually ordered something different, but when I got it in, the little lever part where you like push up or down to get the juice beverage out of was actually broken. So I sent it back. And then I got my money back, went to the store and just picked these up. So I really do like those. And I think this is the one I originally bought. And the little spout was completely broken. Not even like in the box broken, just like all the way broken off. A hot mess. Before I move on, I wanted to show a quick small business tip. If you are like someone who shops with Walmart all the time, like me, if you go to your account and you're like constantly using the same card and it's like saved on your account, you can always look up your purchase history. This, like I said, the reason I said this is a small business hack is if you're someone like me, I always throw my receipts in the trash. I just feel like it's garbage. So if I'm using that same card, those are nasty by the way. If I'm using those same cards or that same card and it's on my account and I use it in Walmart, I can always go to Walmart website and find my receipts. All right. Next up, I bought this folding wagon. I've seen this on like videos and must have lists and things like that. I finally bought it for myself. Why is this important? Because if you are doing events, you just pile up what you need. It folds up, it goes very easily in whatever you're driving. You unfold it when you get there, pack all your stuff up, roll it into the event. Like, I don't know how I've lived without it. This helps you to not have all of those Tupperware totes or the rolling totes and this and that, putting it in boxes. Boom. That's all you need. One stop shop. I am going to enjoy it. I'm so excited. All right, the last thing that I want to show you guys, going back to Canva, like, make sure that you have some type of email sign up sheet. What does this do for you? This helps you to build up a following. So even if you post your Instagram page, that doesn't necessarily mean they're going to follow you. But if they're putting theirs along with their email and their name and all of that, you can always reach out to them. Hi, thank you so much for signing up for our newsletter, or thank you for visiting our booth at whatever event. You can always give them like a how many percent, 10%, 15%, whatever floats your boat to find you lost remote, just to say, hey, thank you, welcome to the sweet life. That's that's my little tagline. Welcome to the sweet life. Help us help you make life sweeter. Whatever, just keep us in mind for your next event. That is going to definitely help you. I am trying to work on a newsletter. Is it something I'm going to do myself? I don't know yet. I don't know. It's a lot. I have a lot of moving parts in my life right now. In addition to building my business, and I do have a newsletter template with Canva. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around. If you have any questions, just reach out to me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.